Our QR code door lock system works fully automatically. Simply scan the QR code with your phone or a printout and check in with ease. This way, you save on staffing costs, especially during the night shift.
The problems we had before were that we had a key safe with a 6-digit code. This whole process was cumbersome and problematic for some, especially older guests. The advantage of the QR code door lock system, that it is very easy to use and that it is compatible with our PMS system on Apaleo. When we check in a guest, an email is automatically sent to the guest, which includes the QR code and instructions. So a great service where help is immediately offered has been done. And also with the installation, since then we have had no more problems. I can imagine equipping our other hotels with it as well, because it just works smoothly for us. And I want to pass that advantage on to the other hotels.